Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix your Instagram not working problem on an Android phone. For this, go to your App Store or Play Store, tap on the search for apps and games option on the top, enter here Instagram and search for the app. You might get an option of open or update on the top right corner. Make sure to tap on it if you do have an option of update and then update this app as well. The next thing that you can do is tap on this settings option, scroll down and tap on apps. Tap on this manage apps option, tap on this search among apps and enter here Instagram. Search for this app and on the bottom you can see three of the option, that is force stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data option, tap on clear cache, tap on OK. So just by doing it, you have successfully cleared all of the cache related to this Instagram. The next thing that you can do is tap on force stop. You can see that if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. But let me tell you one thing, that force stopping an app help your app to restart in a very fresh way. So tap on OK. The next thing that you can do is tap on uninstall and then uninstall and remove all of the app data related to it. So uninstalling will remove all of the app data. So tap on OK. And then the next thing that you can do is restart your phone. Restarting your phone will also help an Instagram to start in a very fresh way. So this is how you do it. This is how you fix the problem of Instagram app not working on an Android phone. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.